Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to wish you a happy new year, and we can't wait to celebrate with you all year long with new kits. So today I'm here to share the January 2024 Flavors of the Month kit. So this is our bigger one that has 4 brand new collections. This is a great way to get new stuff each and every month, but not overload your wallet or your stash. So it's just enough to keep you going. Along with your kit, you receive a sample of gourmet coffee, so you can brew that up and sip while you're creating. You also have access to 4 recipe cards. These are double-page layouts that our design team creates for you, and then they write up their instructions with their cutting and assembly instructions and give you a full-color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with our design team. You'll also find lots of inspiration on the blog and the Facebook group, along with sketches and challenges, so be sure to check those out. Our 4 collections this month is Photoplay Paper, Bros Amazing, so it's all about our boys. And then we have Cartabella at Home, Simple Stories Winter Wonderland, and then Vicky Booten Discover and Create. So you have a wide variety of themes this month, and you also have access to a free exclusive cut file as a subscriber. And so this month it coordinates with our Photoplay Paper boy collection, but you could also use elements of it on all of these collections. It is this amazing cut file, says amazing dude with the stars and the chevron arrows. So you can use the arrows definitely on all 4 collections. You could take parts of the titles and break those up. So you can definitely use that for a lot of different projects. So let's dig in and take a closer look at each one of these new collections. Our first collection we're going to look at is from Photoplay Paper, and it's the Bros Amazing collection. So this is perfect for your guys, but you'll see that some of the pattern papers, actually all the pattern papers, you could use for a lot of different things. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of black cardstock. We have this paper called Going Places, which has all of the different arrows on the black background. The back is a blue 2-toned print, kind of a canvasy look, painted. We have All In Stripe, which is the distressed stripe with all of the different colors from this collection. The back is a confetti print with all of the different colors. So you can see this is very neutral. You could use that. This paper is called Legend, and it's a cut-apart sheet, but a little bit different. So we have 2 6x8s, so you could use that as pattern paper, some 4x4 cut-aparts. And then the back is a charcoal dark gray stripe on the diagonal. So that's a lot of fun. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have these word labels down here. That's kind of the normal size that we see. And then we have some bigger ones. And then lots of pieces that you could use to create titles. And then icons that are for boys. So things that most boys are interested in, young or old. So that is Bros Amazing from Photoplay Paper. Our next collection we're going to look at is At Home from Cartabella. So this is that heavy textured cardstock that Cartabella is known for. Love the beautiful soft colors here. You're going to start with 2 sheets of craft cardstock. We have this beautiful floral on the white background. The back is a 2-toned navy blue, and it's just very faint, but there's some little flowers there. It's very pretty. We have this starburst in all of the different colors, and then the orange on the back, that's the little X's. This is called Burst of Love, and this one was wonderfully beautiful, if I forgot to say that. And then we have this one that's like the wicker texture there. It's cute. And the back is a green geometric print with arrows and little hashtag marks. So one more look at your pattern papers. For your embellishments, you're going to get a row of enamel dots. Now the colors will vary on the enamel dots, and the embellishments will vary. So these are 2 sheets from the sticker book. So these are the 2 that I got. There are several different sheets, so all of these will vary among the kit. I got some word labels and numbers, super cute icons. So you'll get something similar to that. So that is At Home from Cartabella. Our next collection we're going to look at is Winter Wonder from Simple Stories. Perfect for all your winter days. We're going to start with 2 sheets of Storm cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one, Burr Burr Burr, with all of the snowmen with their cute little hats and scarves. The back are all of these little word pieces, so you could use this all together or cut them apart so you have some little word labels. This paper is called Chill Out, and it's just all of the circles and the different colors from this collection, and then a diagonal stripe in those colors. This paper is called Chill Out. I think I said that, maybe. This paper is called Snow Happy, so it's snowflakes on that dark navy blue. The back is a plaid design in all of the different colors. I love the fresh colors in this collection. That is your patterned paper. For your embellishments, they're all going to vary among the kits, but they'll all be something similar. You're going to get some of the foam stickers. You're going to get some of the floral and ephemera bits. And you're going to get 3 of the enamel dots, or the brads. They're not enamel dots, brads. So all of those will vary. Super cute. Lots of embellishments there to create your layouts with. So that is Simple Stories Winter Wonder. The final collection we're going to look at is Vicki Boutin's Discover and Create. So this is a beautiful collection. I know many are really excited to see this in their kits. You're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock. Your pattern paper is this one called Brushstroke, which the paint brushes and the paint dripping down. That's going to be a really fun paper to create with. The back is a blue stripe, a full branding strip of those paint brushes. This paper with all of the florals is called Fresh Air. Love that. That's gorgeous. The back is a polka dot in the aqua, full branding strip of the florals. I love that. That looks very retro. This paper is called Pastime, which is a really fun print. So this has all of the mixed media done for you. So they've taken like newspaper print papers and done like a basket weave for your background. The back is this circle print in the blue, full branding strip of buttons. It would be even fun to take a small circle punch, and you could punch those out and use those as embellishments. So one more look at the patterned paper. For your embellishments, they're all going to vary, but you get a lot of variety this month. So you're going to get some chipboard stickers. You're going to get 1 of the chipboard frames. Then you're going to get some of the puffy stickers and some of the icon and journaling ephemera. So again, all of these will vary, but look at the variety that you get. So you're going to have lots of fun with Vicki's collection this month. So one more look at your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out the 3 add-ons that we have available. I'll have links here at the end. We have pattern paper, cardstock, and embellishment add-ons. I'll also link the Shots of Life because it coordinates as well, and you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by adding that to your kit. So thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with your kits this year.